So here's something fun to try if you have a glass surface like I do. You can take your water bottle and spritz the water. And you got to be working quickly, so we need to make sure we have, let's take this, since the middle's not so interesting, although it's totally workable. We're going to take black ink, so you can tell my hands are all black. You have to be ready, right? So you're going to drop some lines and you wait till they look cool. Look at that. And now I'm going to lay this on top and use this kind of as a barren. And look at that. It's pretty fun. And let's try it with the Tanguccio. Get some of the Tanguccio, which I just roughly tore without any, so it's gonna be a big one. Maybe we'll do a color, although I do like how the black. All right, so let's do the pink and the yellow. It doesn't spread quite as well as the black, does it? But it's kind of cool. I think my table's a little bit at an angle. You could probably even, blow a little. Oh, that's cool. All right, I'm just gonna lay it down. Look at that, that is so fun. And let's try one more with the black, because I feel like the black ink is a little different than these other inks, and it really spread out well. Maybe it's just a matter of more water, I don't know, but. I'm gonna do a lot of water, see what happens. Okay, tons of water. Tanguccio at the ready. I've got some black ink on it, but that's okay. We're gonna add more. Where's my black ink? Black ink. I'll drop it from kind of a high. Ooh, there's lots of splatters. I mean, it's just so cool. I'm just gonna wait, maybe a little water. All right, we'll see how this looks. I think the hardest part is trying to get it down flat, but we also want some white spaces, so maybe it's okay. Let's see how that came out. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know if you can tell, it's got these lines in it from the wrinkles. Let's see what it looks like if we use the calligraphy paper. We did the Gampi. We did the Tangucho. I've never been so happy to have this glass surface. This is so fun. All right. Water. And, you know, I don't have a rhyme or reason for the water. I just want it to spread. And let's see, we've got some of this calligraphy paper. And I'm going to stick with the black because the black seems to do the best. And my fingers are all black, so. And this time we're just going to do a little bit less. See, without water, it's kind of, look at that. That is so cool. Looks like the mycelium network or something, or amoebas. Oh, I went right through the paper there, but that's okay. I don't need all of it. That's really cool. Anyways, a really fun thing to try. I hope you had a good time. I hope you had fun. Join me next time and we'll be using all of these papers in a collage.